was my favorite movie.
Crazy Rich Asian.
What?
Some crazy rich Asian.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
What is it?
Fast and Furious.
What?
Fast and Furious.
Favorite movie? No answer? Kim got it right. Love and Basketball. Favorite alcoholic beverage? Not drink. Sorry, not liquor. Drink.
Alcoholic drink. Tequila.
Tequila's alcohol. Yeah, sure. I said prosecco. I said rum.
What do you say?
Prosecco.
I said margarita.
Margarita. Tequila.
Rum.
No, you said anything. Okay.
Anything that Kevin makes you.
That's funny. Is that what you said for real?
Yeah.
That's funny. Who had tequila?
Rum.
Who had lychee martini? Lychee martini. What you have?
Wrong.
I have the last word or anything Kevin makes.
What you have? You never answer?
Rum punches.
So what is
I will give lychee martini and tequila because they're more specific.
Oh my gosh.
Favorite ice cream flavor?
cookies and cream?
I said pistachio. I don't know why. I didn't.
You didn't put anything?
Because when you went to my house,
Because that's what you got. That's what y'all like. Favorite ice cream?
You never ordered a margarita nor what you call it?
I order what they have. You've seen me order a lychee martini before. When we go out, what do I order when I go out with you? I don't know. I order like Moscow. I like Moscow mules too. I do drink that a lot. It's whatever they have.
What's your favorite ice cream?
So
Cookies and cream.
And you try whatever.
Ice cream is cookies and cream or strawberry cheesecake. Grape nut cones too. Favorite.
I said Asian.
I put Asian and Jamaican. Bring a taco.
Yeah, I said Asian.
That's one.
I wrote ramen.
So I put Asian.
Okay. All right.
Ramen counts on that.
If you put Asian, you get a point. If you put ramen, you get 2 points.
I get 1 point.
Because that was more specific. Yeah, and you can eat it any way you want. Okay. Yeah, you can get it from the restaurant.
And then when she makes it now, she boils the egg, she adds
You got the dumpling, you got the veggies, the chili. What you talking about? Listen, it's a whole thing.
She go hard.
Exactly. The scallions. Listen, it's the whole thing. Next question.
This one is right.
What's the next one? My shoe size?
8.
If you put 7.5, 8, you're right. Anything other, wrong. What's the next question?
How did the groom propose?
This one is very
I said
specific.
at the beach after his belt. After he got his belt.
South Carolina. I didn't put Myrtle Beach. I put South Carolina after he's done his taekwondo assessment on the beach.
I said
Correct.
at the beach.
If it's not like that, no. It is at the beach. It is on the beach. On the beach. No. If you don't mention 3 of those, no point. But this one, we not get no like no. It's either a call.
So you don't get it.
Yeah. Where you are?
Myrtle Beach.
Just Myrtle Beach? Oh no.
That's where. How is he got down on one knee after
They all get down on one knee. They all get down. Well, that is true. I've learned. Some just roll over in their bed. I said, here.
No.
Okay, so with Bria, how many points do you have?
5. That's funny.
Yeah.
Right,
But where?
Hello, ma'am. You know I'm gonna disqualify you.
So, I'm up here.
There's no
But
help here.
where?
Okay.
I'll put
Anybody needs 5 and 6? I don't know. Oh, you're that's funny. Oh. Okay, Maria, Fungy. We're done. We finished.
Three. I said the.
So okay, so maybe I had messed up because some of these are within the United States.
A lot of them.
So
I put USA for some of them.
I mean, city or the state,
I said aluminarium.
for number 3.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How are you?
No, because number 3 is Houston, Texas. Okay, half a point. Half a point.
No, I would say city and state.
Yeah, city and state, country and city.
Yeah.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4, Myrtle Beach, North Carolina.
Miami,
South Carolina.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
So that's 1 point.
Myrtle Beach is 1 point. South Carolina is 1 point. I'm trusting you guys to mark. Yeah.
Number 5, California.
Santa Barbara, California, United States of America.
Funny.
Well, I get 3 points then because I said Santa Barbara, California, United States of America.
You get 2 points.
How much wine for this one?
Oh, I get 3 points. I get 3 points for
One. Hey, if you want to mention wedding, that don't count. Okay?
So you need to give a tiebreaker question.
No, Riz. Clearly you've been paying attention.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. Of each dress that we like, but overall, even though you look like you got club, that one looks nice. So we're gonna give it to Ken. What is it supposed to be? A choker? A necklace. Oh, I mean, I like the length of this one.
Well, the top fell down. So, and that's a very modest way.
Her birthday is on Monday.
Thank you. Yes. So please, can you guys sing me happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chrissy. Happy birthday to you.
Amen. Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
1,
2, 3.
Make sure you get this in our kids.
May I get it right now?
Yes, keep the film rolling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, I just.
Oh, that's messy.
I'm trying to pick it up and fall apart.
She's like, you ruined it.
I know you're a thief.
You went above and beyond.
First gift. Who is this gift from?
Me.
Shadeen?
No.
Oh, Kim?
It's hot. Yay.
That's a big bakery! That's a big bakery! That's a big bakery!
Oh, it has a.
Cutlery set as well.
We got new knives.
How much less that has to beat it?
Thank you, Kimmy.
You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome!
Second gift.
Welcome!
Hey, Ken. Leave them alone.
Who is this from?
Shadi.
Shadeen.
With Valentine's Day. I think this is from Shadi.
Shadi,
Yeah, I think this is from Shadi. Okay. Ooh, wait. Which one is this one? Strawberry punch.
I
like
favorite.
We got a card. And we got my favorite little pink sugar oil. Body oil. Thank you. Oh, I got to open American this time.
She.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Who's this from?
Momada.
Mommy. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wow.
Who's this from me? Oh, Camille. I didn't have a sticker on it. Camille with the goodies. Alright, I don't know. That's a topper. I know. Of course. Leave it up to Camille to bring it on. Thank you. And this is.
I think it was,
It's nothing.
Did you get it off the register?
yeah,
The bag.
the bag.
The dress bag.
The dress bag.
Thank you, actually.
For your wedding dress? Nice.
Thank you.
This one too.
Ooh, yes.
What's that?
Steamer.
Oh.
Thank you. And thank you to my host, Kenani, and co-host, Kimberly.
You're welcome.